My guy, they're finally working on the construction over here at Carrolton. Oh, the Amtrak. It is. I think it was an Amtrak move or something.
Attention, please. This is the last call from our train number 424 en route to Baltimore with intermediate stop to Burlington, BWI Airport.
Alright, we got Mark train 424. It's going fast. Overshotting that. Mark train 424 leaving to Carrolton to Baltimore.
All passengers, our next station stop will be T-Brook. T-Brook, one of our next station stop. Not all those roads at T-Brook, you can only exit at the last 3 cars of the train. Okay, the last 3 cars where you see uniform crew members.
One of these regional or the Avelia.
Next station stop coming up.
Kawasaki cab cars on ditch light.
Train is approaching. Please stand back from the yellow line.
I keep my eye out over this just in case.
Attention.
You heard?
A train is approaching.
Look where it's at.
Please
Look where it's at.
stand
Let's do
back. Please stand back from the yellow line.
The Northeast Regional 195 to Washington. Stop.
Please stand back from the yellow line.
Dang, line.
Attention, please. A train is approaching. Please stand back from the yellow line.
My door's still open. Avelia, Liberty, Acela. Catch a mark to BC. Oh, don't mind it. There you go. It is!
Please stand back from the yellow line. Attention, please. A
Probably GP39?
No, I see.
No, I see 44.
Let me give you my number real quick. Yeah, my phone number.
And then I'll transfer it. It smells.
That's one thing I don't like about it.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard my 426 next stop. Seabrook coming up next. Seabrook coming up next. The only heavy trains have been ready to train. We see remember the drill. Seabrook coming up next. Seabrook.
That's hurting my ears so bad. Here goes my train 426. Next stop, Seabrook. See if this cab car has ditch lights, static gyro lights. Let's see. Nope, just gyro lights.
They still, it's like half and half between the old Acela and the new Avelia.
But I
guess-
haven't been seeing the older sellers lately though.
No, they're trying to phase them out. They're 20 to 25 years old. They're old.
Yeah.
That's 426.
Oh, that is
I'm trying to get to
426.
my horn shop.
Nice. Let's see if it does anything.
Miss, there's actually 3 of you that passed by, so
Cool.
I missed only
You guys have been
one.
here for a while.
Not a while, actually. Come on.
They don't always honk the horns near the station.
Yeah, could scare the passengers probably.